Good morning, everybody. We have seen up to 50 Karnas. Now we will go on with the few more Karnas. The next one is Argala. The right foot is kept on the side of the little toe of the left foot at the distance of 2.5 spans while the shanks stiff. The right arm is kept stiff at the left side, assuming the Alapallava with the tip slightly spread out, indicating movement of Anga Dorthe, monkey lord. ललाटे तिलकं कुर्या ललाटतिलकं तु तत् पुष्टतः कुञ्चितं कृत्वा व्यतिक्रान्तक्रमं ततः. The next one is Talavilasita. One foot is raised high and stretched at the side with the toes and the balls turned up and its tip touch in the hand in the Pataka pose. It is repeated on the other side, used for the stage. Manager. Akshiptau cha karau karyau krantake karane dvijaha आद्यः पदोन्नतः कार्य सव्यहस्तश्च कुञ्चितः. The next one is Lalata Tilaka. The big toe of the foot in the Vrishchika Karana makes a Tilaka sign on the forehead, indicates the movement of celestial beings or Vidyadharam. उत्तानो वामपार्श्वस्थ स्तक्कुञ्चितमुदाहृतं प्रलम्बिताभ्यां बहुभ्यां यद्धात्रेणानतेन च. Parshvanikuttaka is the next Karana. One of the hands in swastikas brought to the side pointing upwards while the other points downwards. The feet also makes the Nikuttika movement used for moving about. Abhyantarapaviddhaha syat tadneya chakramandalam swastika prasrutau padapa viddhakramau yada. The next one is Chakramandala. After performing the Adhitachari whirl around, keeping the arms in dola and bending the body inwards, employed in worshipping gods and in vigorous movements. Uromandalakau hasta uromandalikantu tata akshiptam hastapadam cha kriyate yatra vegataha. Uromandalako hasta uromandalakintu tat akshiptam hastapadam cha kriyate yatra vegataha. Uromandala. Baddha and Sthitavartacharis are performed with hands in Uromandala gesture. Akshiptam namakaranam vidneyam tad vijottamaha urdhvangulitagaha padaha parshvanordhva prasaritaha. Avarta. With udveshtita and apaveshtita movements, Ardhandha in the Dola pose in Chhasagati Chari is performed, used in creeping with fear. Prakryadanchita talau hastau talavilasite prishtataha prasrutaha padau dhau talardhamevacha. Kunchita. Right hand in Alapadma is kept at the side, left side, palm facing upwards, and the left foot does Agratala Sanchara pose, used to indicate the god's exuberant. Tasyaiva chanugo hastaha puratastvagalaitu tat vikshiptam hastapadam cha prishtataha parshvatopi va. Dolapada. After the Urdhva Januchari, the Dolapadachari is performed and the arms are in the Dola pose. एकमार्गगतं यत्र तद्धिक्षिप्तमुदाहृतं प्रसार्य कुञ्चितं पादं पुनरावर्तयेत् द्रुतम्. Vivartita. Feet inwards in the Akshipta Chari with hands and with the Vyavruti and Parivarti movements. The vest is turned round and the Rechaka gesture made with the hands. This is used in vigorous movements. Prayogavashagau hastau tadavartamudahartam kunchitam padamukshipya parshvot parshva tudolayet. Vinivritta. With one foot in Suchi, swastika is made at the ankle of the other foot with the Vyavarta and Parivartita movements. The vest is twisted around and back on one side. Then the Baddhachari is performed with Rechita in the hands. This is used as preceding Karana. Prayogavashagau hastau dolapadam taduchyate akshiptam hastapadam cha trikam chaiva vivartayet. Parshvakranta. Parshvakrantachari is performed and the hands follow the feet, used in indicating the movement of mighty one Bhimasena. Rechitau cha tatha hastau vivrute karanadvija Suchividdham vidhathaya trikam tu vinivartayet. The next one is Nishumbita. One foot is in the Kunchita pose near the heel of the other foot. The chest is raised high and the middle finger of the Katakamukha hand makes a tilaka on the forehead used to depict the Lord Shiva. Karaucha rechitau karyau vinivritte dvijottama parshve kranta krama krtva purastadata patayet. The next one is Vidyudbhranta. The foot is bent backwards and circles around on all sides near the head. It is the movement of the naughty. Prayogavashagau hastau parshvakrantam taduchyate prishthatah kunchitah padau vakshashchaiva samunnatam. Atikranta. After performing the Atikrantachari, the foot is stretched out in front. The hands are used appropriately. Tilakecha kara sthapya stannistambhitamuchyate prishthato valitam padam shiroghrishtam prasarayet. Vikshipta. After performing successively the Vidyudbhranta and Dandapadachari, the hands moving around with Udveshtita and Apaveshtita movements are bent and thrown up to the back or side, same use as previous. Sarvato mandala viddham Vidyudbhrantam taduchyate Atikranta kramam krutva purastas samprasarayet. Vivartita. After throwing out one hand and one foot, the lower spine is twisted around with the other hand, making Rechita gesture. Prayogavashagau hastavatikrante prakirtitau akshiptam hastapadam cha trikam chaiva vivartitam. Gajakridita. After performing the Dola Padachari, the left hand in the Karihasta pose is moving near the ears as elephant. Ditiyo rechito hasto vivartita kamaivam tat karnenchita karovamo yata hastascha dakshinaha. Ganda Suchi. The foot is in Suchi, the sides is in the Nata pose, the right hand in the Katakamukha pose at the chest, and the left is in Alapallava pose touching the cheek, showing decoration of the cheek. Dola padastatha chaiva gajakriditakam bhavet dhutamutshiptapya pracharanam purastadata patayet. The next one is Garuda Prita. Hands make the Lata and Rechita gesture. The feet are in the pose of Vrishchika Karana and the chest is raised up, indicating the flight of the bird Garuda. तगसंस्फोटितौ हस्तौ तगसंस्फोटिते मतौ पृष्ठप्रसारितपादलतारेचितकौ करौ तगसंस्फोटित. With the Dandapada or Atikrantachari, the foot lifted up comes down quickly in front, the hands clap making a sound. Samunnatam shiraschaiva garudaplutakam bhavet. Suchipado nata parshvameko vakshasthitakaraha. Parshvajanu. The foot is placed at the back of the thigh of the other foot which is in summer. One hand in the mushti pose being kept at the chest and the other in Ardhachandra at the waist. It is to indicate fighting and struggling. Dvitiyaschanchito gande gandasuchi taduchyate. Urdhvapaveshchitau hastau suchipado vivartitaha. Grudhravalinaka. One foot is stretched out backwards with the other knee bent and the hands make lata, touching the ground with the thumbs. It is used for fighting among the great birds. Parivritta trikam chaiva parivrittam taduchyate. Ekas samasthita pada uruprushte sthito paraha. Suchi. Throwing up one foot, bend and bring it down without touching the ground. The hand on that side in Katakamukha is kept at chest and the other in the Alapadma pose in the region of the head. The same is repeated on the other side, used to indicate wonder. Mushtihastascha vakshasthaha parshvajanu taduchyate. Prishtaprasaritapada kinchita janukaha. Ardhasuchi. Suchi, if does only with one hand and foot, is called Ardhasuchi. Yatra prasarito baho tasyad grudhravaleenakam utpritya charanau karya vagrataha swastika sthitau. Suchi Viddha. One hand in Pakshavanchitaka or Ardhachandra is placed on the hip, other in Katakamukha is on the chest, one foot in Suchi is kept at the heel of the other, indicating deliberation, etc. Sannatau cha tatha hastau sannatam tadudayritam kunchitam padamukshiptam kuryat grasthitam bhuvihi. Harinapruta. After performing the Harinapritachari, the two hands assume the Dola and Katakamukha poses, showing deer's laps. Parivritta. Hands make the Urdhva Mandala in gesture, one foot in the Suchi pose. With the Baddhachari, make a Vivarta movement twisting the pelvis. Prayogavashagau hastau sa Suchi parikirtita. Alapadmaha shirohastaha Suchi padascha dakshinaha. The next one is Dandapada. Nupurapadachari is performed, then the Dandapadachari. The hand is like a rod and swift. It is used to move about with pride. Yatra tat karanam jneya mardhasuchiti namitaha padasucha yada padau dvitiyastu pravidyate. The next one is Mayura Lalita. Hands make the Rechita gesture. The feet in the Vrishchika position are bent and the Brahmari Chari is performed, depicting the graceful peacock. Kativaksha stitau hastau suchividdham taduchyate krutvo ruvalitam padamaya pakrantam nyasye prenkholita. After performing a Dola Padachari with one foot, jump up with the other foot and twist the loins. Prayogavashagakau hastavapakrantam taduchyate vrishchikam karanam krutva rechitau cha tatha karau. The next one is Sannata. After performing Mrugapritachari, the foot is crossed in front and the hands in Dola pose to indicate escaping the bad elements. Tathatrikam vivrittam cha mayur lalitam bhavet anchita prasrutau padau shirascha parivahitam. The next one is Sarpita. The foot in the Anchita moves away from the other foot. The head is bent and the hand on the side makes the Rechita gesture, repeated on the other side. This is employed to indicate the movements to and fro of an intoxicated person. Rechitau cha tatha hastau tat sarpita mudarutam nupuram charanam krutva dandapadam prasarayet. Karihasta. Left hand in Katakamukha is placed at the chest. The other hand makes the Udveshtita movement and takes the Tripataka pose at the ear. And the feet on that side in the Anchita pose moves out. Kshipra Viddhakaram Chaiva Dandapadam Taduchate Atikranta Kramakshipta Samutpritya Nipayet. Parasarpita. One hand makes the Rechita gesture. The foot on that side moves slowly away, stroking the ground, and the other hand makes the Lata gesture. It indicates the movement of celestial beings. Janghanchito parikshipta tadridhyadharinapratam dolapada kramam krutva samutpritya nipatayet. Apakranta. Baddha and Apakranta charis are performed, the two hands moving in an appropriate manner. Parivritta trikam chaiva tat prenkhoritamuchyate bhuvavurdve vinishkrantau hastau chabhi mukhangali. Nittamba. Hands in pataka with the fingers pointing downwards are brought to the region of the head. Then with the parivarta movement, they are stretched out above the shoulder and made to face each other. Finally, turning down the fingers facing the body, they make the Nitamba gesture. Baddhachari tatha chaiva nitambe karane bhavet dolapada kramam krutva hastau tadanu gavu bhau. Skhalita. In the Dolapadachari, the feet swing to and fro. The hands in Hamsapakshaka follow the movement of the foot, and this is repeated on the other side. Rechitau ghurnitau vapi skhalitam karanam bhavet eko vakshasthito hasta prodheshtita taloparaha. Simha vikridita. After performing the Alatachari, the foot is placed quickly in front and the hand seems to give a slap. Then the same is repeated on the other side, indicating walking of the fierce. Anchitascharanaschaiva prayojya karihastake ekasatu rechito hasto yatakyastu tathaparaha. Sinha karshita. One foot is in the Vrishchika pose and the hands are in the Padma Kosha or Urnanabha pose. When the other foot takes the Vrishchika pose, the earlier hand is dropped and again assumed in the same way, indicating the lion. Pasarpita talau padau prasarpita kamevam tat alatam cha krutva dvitiyam cha drutakramam. Avahittaka. After performing the Janitachari, the hands in Arala and Alapallava poses are placed on the forehead and the chest. Then they are brought to the sides by the Udveshtita and Vyavarta movements respectively, and then to the chest by Apaveshtana and Parivritta movements, and kept facing each other, employed to indicate the secret meanings of sentences. हस्तौ पादानुगौ चापि सिंहविक्रीडिते स्मृतौ पृष्ठप्रसर्पितपादस्तथा हस्तौ निकुञ्चितौ. Nivesha. Hands in the Katakамukha pose are placed on the chest, which is held high, and the Mandala posture is assumed, indicative of riding on an elephant. पुनस्तथैव कर्तव्यौ सिंहाकर्षितके द्विजा आक्षिप्तहस्तमाक्षिप्त देहमाक्षिप्तपादकम्. एडकक्रीडित. Edaka-Kriditachari is performed and the hands assume the Dola and the Katakamukha poses. The body is bent and then turned, indicating the movement of lowly creatures. Udvritta Gatramityeta Dudvatam Karanam Smritam Akshiptascharanaschayko Hastau Tatstaiva Chanugau. Janita. After Janitachari, one hand in Mushti is placed on the chest and the other is in Yata, indicating the beginning of an action. Anatam cha tathagatram tathopasrutakam bhavet dola-padakramam krutva tagak ghatitau karau. Upashrita. After the Akshiptachari is performed to the left, the hand makes the Vyavarta and the Parivartita movements brought to the right side, which is in the Nata position, and takes the Arala pose. It indicates approaching respectfully. Rechayecha karam vamam talaggatitai sada eko vakshastito hasto dvitiyascha pralambitaha. Tala Sanghatita. After performing the Dola Padachari, clap the hands kept in the Pataka pose and make the Rechita gesture. Assuming Vaishnava posture, the right hand is placed on the hip and Rechita gesture is made with the left hand, indicating sympathy. Talagra Sansthita Pado Janiye Karane Bhavet Janitam Karanam Krutva Hastau Chabhimukhangali. Udvritta. Hands and feet are stretched out, brought back. Udvrittachari is performed. Shanair nipatitau chaiva jneyam tadavahithakam karau vakshasthitau karya vuro nirbhugnamevacha. Vishnukranta. One kunchita foot is moved forward as if rising and hands make Rechita gesture depicting Vishnu's movements. Mandala sthanakam chaiva nivesham karanam tutat tagasanchara padabhyat mut bhritya patanam bhavet. Lolita. One hand makes the Rechita gesture and the other is Alapallava at the chest. The head rotate and then hands rest on sides. Vaishnava posture is assumed. Sannatam Valitam Gatra Megaka Kriditam Tutat Karama Vritta Karana Muruprushten Chita Nyaset. Madaskalita. The feet move away by one from Swastika. The head makes the Parivahita movement and the hands in Dola pose, used to indicate medium intoxication. Janghanchita tathodvritta yurudvritam tu tadbhavet karau pralambitau karyau shirascha parivahita. Sambhranta. Performing the Aviddhachari makes the Vyavarta and Parivartita movement and keep hands Alapadma behind the thigh to indicate hurried movement. Padaucha Valita Viddhau Madaskhalitake Dvija Puraprasaritapada Kunchito Gaganonmukhaha. Vishkambha. The right hand in Suchi Mukha Nritta pose approaches the left and strokes it, then makes the up and down steps with the foot. The left hand is kept on the center and repeated on the other side. Then the right foot takes the Suchi and right hand Alapadma, the left hand as before. Karaucha rechitau yatra Vishnukrantam taduchyate Karamavartitam krutva Yuruprushte nikunjayet. Udghatita. Foot makes the Udghatita movement. That side is Sannata and the hands seem ready to beat time and repeated on the other side, showing rejoicing. Urushchaiva tatha viddha sambhrantam karanam tu tat apaviddha karasucha padaschaiva nikuttitaha. Shakatasya. Shakatasya chari is performed. One hand is stretched out with the foot. The other hand in Kataka Mukha is kept on the chest, indicating the play of children. Vakshasthascha karo vamau Vishkambhe karane bhavet Padavruddhattito karyau Talasanghattito karau. Urudvritta is the next karana. Along with the Urudvritta chari, hands make the Vyavartana movement in the Arala and Katakamukha poses and are placed at the back of the thighs. It is employed to indicate jealousy, requesting and erotic movements. Natancha parshva kartavyam budheruddhattite sada prayujjalatakam purva hastau chapi hi rechayet. The next karana is Vrishabha Kridita. Performing the Alatachari, the hands should make the Rechita gesture. Then with a Vyavartana movement, they should bend and in Alapadma be placed on the shoulders. Kunchita vanchito chaiva Vrishabha Kridite sada Rechita vanchito hastau Lolitam vartitam shiraha. The next one is Naga Pasarpita. Hands make the Rechita gesture. The head assumes the Parivahita pose and the feet are moved away from Swastika, showing slight intoxication. Ubhayo parshvayo yatra tallolita mudarutam Swastika prasrutau padau shirascha pativahitam. This way we have come to the last karana, that is the 108th karana, which is named as Gangavatarana. In this, the foot is lifted up and down along with the raising and lowering of the hands in the Tripataka pose. The head also moves likewise to indicate the descent of the Ganga on earth. Udvahita mura कृत्वा शकटास्यं प्रयोजयेत् ऊर्ध्वाङ्गलितलौ पादौ त्रिपताकावधौ मुखौ. Thus, we have come to the end of chapter on Karnas in the Natyadhyaya, which gives us the slightly varied versions from Natya Shastra. In the Karnas, the left hand is normally kept on the chest and the right hand makes the movement suited to each karana, says the doubtless scholar Sharangdev.